Good morning.
Good morning.
We're going to start with a two-string warm-up in both C major and G major. So this will ideally wake your brain up a little bit. So we're going to start, cellos, you're going to be on the C string. We're going to use C string, G string. And so we'll do a C major scale. Violins for this first set, go ahead and start C on the G string. So we're going to do a C major scale up and down. And that'll be our note set. And then we're going to immediately go into G major, but still playing between C and C. So hopefully that will be clear as we do it. I'm thinking half notes might be good this morning. 3, 4, C, D, E, F, G, A, So the next set of strings we're going to do is G string, D string. So everybody can start on open G this time. And we'll be in C major first still. So that'll mean a B natural on the G string and an F natural on the D string. And then the second time around we'll be in G major, so that F will change to an F sharp. Starting on the G string, 3, 4. G. Good deal. So we're going to use the D string and A string next. And so we'll be C major and then G major, but it won't sound quite like you expect because we'll be starting on a D. So starting on D in C major. 3, 4. D, going to do the top two strings on the violin, A string, E string. Cellos, you'll pretty much be on the A string the whole time. We'll go up to fourth position, so we'll be going, the note set will be from open A to the A harmonic. So that note set, starting in C major on an A. 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D, So if you hadn't figured it out, because I'm planning on working on the lento and the rondo. Is it rondo? Yeah, lento and the rondo. We got two different keys going on here. So the lento is in C. I know it's been a while. What I want to do is review it. So this is the tempo I have marked that we left off at. Okay, I should say that. Which is 8th note and 60. And I will do the cello part first because they enter first. So they play on 4, 5, 6. I will count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So mark anything you need to. We'll count it off again, and I'll play the violin part this time. So cellos, you will enter after I say 1, 2, 3, because you'll be playing 4, 5, 6. But you will hear it very well. So back at the beginning of the movement. 1, 2, 3. Cello, 5, 6, this is where it's going to get interesting. Make it that you can see your rondo, because I would like to do roughly the first 8 measures of the rondo. So the click that we have going right now is going to become a dotted quarter note click. So the rondo is going to be a little faster than we've ever played it, which is why I want to give us a heads up. So that's going to make the beginning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so even if right now it's just a guess, I figure that will keep me the most honest switching back and forth between them. Let me play the opening there also of the violin part, so they are not feeling askew either. This is the first 8 measures again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here's the plan. We're going to do, starting in measure 15 of the Poco lento. So the nice, barely awake tempo from this morning. And then we're going to go and do about the same amount into the rondo. So we're going to transfer between those 2 tempos. Ideally, the hold will just be 1, 2, 3, not with any extra time. So you can start to be thinking your new tempo there, and that should help. I'll play cello part first. This is measure 15 in the Poco lento. 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So hopefully everybody kind of understood what I just did. I'm going to do the same thing starting at measure 15 in the violin part, be equally fair. So measure 15, old tempo to new tempo, 4, 5, 6. Good. So we're going to do kind of the same thing. I'd like to start, I'll be the violin side this time, measure 10. No, we'll do measure 9. It'll be nicer in the long run. Measure 9, and ideally we'll go into the rondo up to the key change. So we're making our set a little bit larger. So Poco lento, measure 9. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Measure 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Da da da. Key change. So if all you did was follow along and know what measure we are in, you are doing a good job. So we're going to go back to measure 9 in the Poco lento, and I will be playing on the cello side this time. So you can see how it all fits together, Poco lento into the Rondo with our two different tempos. Breathe. Measure 9, 4, 5, 6. Measure 15, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Four, 5, 6. 4, 5, Nobody looks terribly discouraged. That's a good sign. So in actuality, if I was in the same room with everybody, I probably would play the lento a little bit faster. And I wouldn't worry so much about it being 3 to 1. Knowing what everybody's ready to do, I'd probably play the allegretto a little bit slower for people to kind of pull it together. I think that would be an amazing tempo in the long run for the allegretto, but I wouldn't be trying to kill anybody off. As far as being able to play it consistently in 17 different rooms, this seems to be the best solution. So do not be discouraged. It looks like maybe we can go and do the entire lento into the first half of the rondo and still have time. So we're going to give that a shot. I will play the cello part first, since it enters first in both cases. So this is the Poco lento at the beginning of the movement. One, two, three. Measure 5. Measure 10. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Good. Alright, switching, then I'm playing violin parts. Exactly the same amount. Beginning of the Poco lento. 1, 2, 3. Cello. 5, 6. 1, 2. Measure 5. extra beat before I sang your part. So it wasn't exactly the same as the first time. On the whole, though, that should give you an idea of how to practice it, how it fits together. Questions, now's your chance. Otherwise, I will see everybody next week.
Thank you, Marianne.
You're welcome.
Very fast.
It is pretty fast. That is a beautiful scarf thing.
Thank you. This is my snuggie.